Hey guys, it's Taylor here, and I'm in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. The hotel I'm staying in is called Coral Beach, and it's in South Carolina. My good lord. Anyway, my good lord, good job, Taylor. Anyways, this stuff here, hotelness. Yeah. If you're wondering why I'm wet, I just got back from the hotel. Not the hotel, the freaking pool a few minutes ago. Yeah. Here's my bed and things. Bed. Anyhow. Yeah, there's things. I'm trying okay, whatever. Anyways. Refrigerator. Things. More things. Bathroom. Yeah. Things. People. Freaking room thingamajigger. Sliding glass door. Hooligans. Flashlights. Water. Just kidding, I wouldn't have dropped them because that'd probably be bad. Anyways. Door. Closing. Anyways. I don't know if you heard, but there's a hurricane about to strike in a few days. Anyways, it's called Hurricane Matthew. It hasn't struck yet, but we're gonna have to we're gonna have to evacuate tomorrow. Yeah, it's one of our last days being here. Yeah, it's gonna suck. Anyways, I pray to all those who may lose their lives to Hurricane Matthew. Maybe everybody will evacuate in North Carolina, because that's right above us. Anyways, goodbye.